So in last videos we were discussing about the simple linear equation. Okay, a few videos and a few applications also we learned. What is simple equation? Simple linear equation means before that linear equation I explained. What is a linear equation? An equation of degree 1 is called as a linear equation. And simple linear equation means an equation, a linear equation with one variable is called as a simple linear equation. Linear equation means in that with two different variables, with three variables also will exist. But simple linear equation means a linear equation with one variable is called as a simple linear equation. A simple linear equation exists in that a simple linear equation has a unique solution. Only one and only one solution you get. Okay, what is the solution? The value which you replace the variables in the equation, which makes the true, means LHS and RHS are equal. That is called as a solution of the equation. The simple equation has a unique solution. After that, in that one, while solving the problems, we learn some rules. A linear equation is a non-zero constant can be added on both sides. Any number can be added or subtracted. A non-zero number can be multiplied and divided on both sides of the equation. And using the transposition method, we discussed a few problems also. Now, few more applications of the simple linear equations. Different models I am explaining. I am not going with all problems of your material. So next one is solve. Today's first question is yesterday I discussed the variables one side and two sides variables in fraction form also we started. Now in this now I am going to discuss another model. Solve. First one is 2x plus 3 by 3x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3 by 3x minus 2. This is another model question. Only model wise I am discussing here. Now first of all, in both here given equation is 2x plus 3 by 3x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3 by 3x minus 2. Everyone might get a doubts are here more than one variable. Only one variable I used, but that one variable 1, 2, 3, 4 times I used. Okay, in this question 4 times I used one variable only, not more than one variable. Only one variable only. So it is a linear equation only, degree 1 only. One variable only used. So it is a simple equation only. But in fractions they given. In different models they given. So 2x plus 3 by 3x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3 by 3x minus 2 is given. So this type of question, first of all, cross multiply. First cross multiply, make a simple form. So 2x plus 3 fraction form I am writing into a general form here. 3x minus, I am trying to write in general form of this one. Total problem I am trying to write it in general form so that I can solve easily. Is equal to 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 4. To cross multiplication means this and this multiplied. 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 and 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 4. Now, while multiplying, already you learned how to multiply algebraic expressions in previous classes. So, first term of this one multiply with whole term means 2x into 3x minus 2. Again here second term of this first again this whole term is equal to similar way 2x into 3x plus 4 minus 3 into 3x plus 4 2x into this 3x minus 2 plus 3 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 2x into this 3x plus 4 and minus 3 into 3x plus 4. Now simplify. Here already equal is there, don't write here equal. Now 2 3s are first constant 6 x into x square plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4x. These two completed. Now plus 3 into 3 3 3s are 9x. 3 into plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 2 3s 6x plus into plus plus 2 4s 8x. Sorry, x square it is 2 3 6 x into x square plus into plus plus 2 4s 8x minus into plus minus 3 3s are 9x because we have no variable is there. Minus into plus minus 3 4s 12. Now all terms transpose at one side. All variables one side and constants one side you make are transposed all together. First simplify this. One more simplification can possible. Minus 4x plus 9x plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 6x square plus 8x minus 9x minus x minus 12. Sir, it is a quadratic equation, sir. Degree 2 no. Still I have to simplify some more. After that I will confirm it. Now take these are all terms to left side. Then what you get here? 6x square plus 5x minus 6 minus 6x square plus x plus 12 is equal to 0. All terms I took this side. Now plus 6x square minus 6x are cancelled. 5x plus x is 6x minus 6 plus 2 plus 12 is plus 6 is equal to 0. Now 6x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to minus 6 by 6, 6 1 does, x is equal to minus 1. Here onwards I don't write the verification part, it comes answer. In case still you have doubt, you verify by substituting this value whatever you obtained in this given question, whether you will get a LHS, RHS or same or not, you check it. Okay, please note down this. See here, this is by cross multiplying 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 4, 2x into 3x minus 2 plus 3 into 3x minus 2, 2x into 3x plus 4 minus 3 into 3x plus 4. Now 2 3s are 6, x into x square, plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4x. Now plus into plus plus 3 3s are 9x, plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 2 3s are 6x square, plus 2 4s are 8x. Minus 3 3s are 9x, minus into plus minus 3 4s are 12. Now 6x square minus 4 plus 9 is plus 5x minus 6. 6x square plus 8x minus 9x is minus x minus 1. Take all these terms one side. 6x square plus 5x minus 6 minus 6x square plus x plus 12 is equal to 0. Cancel 5x plus x is 6x minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to minus 6 by 6, cancel, x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now next model question is another model question. Second one, 5 by x plus 2 minus 3 by x minus 2 is equal to 3 by x. Now see here, see given question is 5 by x plus 2 minus 3 by x minus 2 is equal to 3 by x. Now here variable is in denominator. Here variable is in denominator. So first take this one LCM. Left side you need to simplify first before proceeding the cross multiplication, because we have more than one term is there. More than one term is there. No? Without the simplification we can't transpose. Sorry, we can't transpose or we can't cross multiply multiply. Is equal to means in previous question we cross multiplied. But here you can't cross multiply immediately because here without simplification. You make this two terms as a one single term. After that you cross multiply. Now take the LCM. When algebraic expression LCM is generally we don't know the exact factors. So whatever the variables are there, variable terms are there, those only are taken. X plus 2 1 are the one factor. X minus 2 is another factor. Since they are binomial, write in bracket. Now x plus 2 go on. So this x minus 2 we have to multiply to the numerator of the first term. 5 into x minus 2 minus 3 into again this x minus 2 okay, x plus 2 multiply x plus 2 is equal to 3 by x. 3 by x. Now 5 into x 5x minus 5 2s are 10 minus into plus minus 3x minus into plus minus 3 2s are 6 by 5 into x 5x plus into minus minus 5 2s are 10 minus into plus minus 3x minus into plus minus 6 by this is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square is equal to 3 by x. Now 5x minus 3x like terms. 5 and 3 have an opposite sign. 5. So subtract them. 2x minus 10 minus 6 minus 16 by x square minus 4 is equal to 3 by x. Sir, quadratic no sir. Still I did not simplify here. Still some more simplification is there. So 5x minus 3x is 2x minus 10 minus 6 is minus 16. X square minus 4 is equal to 3 by x. Now this whole one term and this whole one term. Now you cross multiply here. X into 2x minus 16 is equal to 3 into x square minus 4. Now plus into plus plus 2x into x is 2x square. X into minus 16 is minus 16x is equal to 3 into x square 3x square. Plus into minus minus 3 4s are 12. Take all the terms to this side. 2x square minus 16x minus 3x square is equal to minus 1. Constant are taking that side only because anyhow I have to transpose now. Again second time transpose instead of that one. Constants I took right side only. Only variable terms only I took this side. Sorry, here there is a correction because quadratic will get in this question it is not 3 2 it is. Please correct it. Please correct it. Question there is a correction here. I wrote 3 2 times here 2 it is. Please correct the question. In question little bit correction is there. Because if I don't correct, if I take 3, I get a quadratic equation. I have again quadratic equation factorization we have to do. So please correct it. I repeat for the correction of the question and not say that 2. It is 2. I wrote 3 previous. Please correct the question. Please correct the question. 5 by x plus 2 minus 3 by x minus 2 is equal to 2 by x it is. Now 5 by x plus 2 minus 3 by x minus 2 is equal to 2 by x. Since it has a 2 terms, first I am going to simplify this one by taking x plus 2 and x minus 2 as LCM. X plus 2, x plus 2, okay, x minus 2 into numerator 5, 5 into x minus 2. Now minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 2 by x. Now 5x minus 10 minus 3x minus 6 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, x square minus 4 is equal to 2 by x. Now 5 minus 3x is 2x minus 10 minus 6 minus 16 by x square minus 4 is equal to 2 by x. Cross multiply. Now please correct this one. Just I made a mistake here in question. While writing question only I don't have 3 there. Please correct that one. X into 2x minus 16 is equal to 2 into x square minus 4. 2 into x square minus 4. X into 2x, 2x square plus into minus 16x is equal to 2x square minus 2 4s are 8. Take the terms to left side. Variables take left side. Now 2x square minus 16x minus 2x square is equal to minus 8. Now plus 2x square minus 2x are cancelled. Minus 16x is equal to minus 8. Minus minus cancelled. X is equal to 8 by 16. 8 1s are 8 2s are. X is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. Please write down. Please correct that one. Previous I wrote 3 here. It is not, it was a 2. It is a 3. Not 3. It is a 2. Please correct that one. If you write 3 only, then you get a quadratic equation. Again, factorization method you have to apply. Quadratic equation factorization. Next question. Solve 1.25 plus 9.75 by x is equal to 4.5. Is equal to 4.5. Okay. See here. Given question is 1.25 plus 9.75 by x is equal to 4.5. Here variable is in denominator. Here two terms are there. This is a constant term. This is a combined with a variable is there. First, I will simplify the constant. I will transpose all the constants to one side. All the constants to one side. So 9.75 by x as it is at there. 4.5 plus 1.25 transpose 1 minus 1.25. Now subtract this one. 4.5 0. Point under point 125. 5 4 minus 2 and 3.25. 3.25 is. So 9.75 by x is equal to 3.25 because positive term only bigger, so plus value only get. Now here by 1 you can write as a by 1. Now again cross multiply here. Again cross multiply, but I don't simplify this. 3.25 into x is equal to 1 into 9.75. 3.25 into x is equal to 1 into 9.75. Now send this value because variable I require now. Variable value I have to find out. 9.75 by 3.25. See here, 9.75 by x is equal to 4.5. Plus 5 becomes as a minus 1.25. When I subtract this one, I got a 3.25. By 1, nothing is there in denominator. Now cross multiply, x into 3.25 is equal to 1 into 9.75. Now x is equal to 1 into 9.75 is 9.75 by 3.25. Now point remove it. Decimal point after 2 digits, you can eliminate that one. That is a 975 by 325. Now you can cancel this is 325. 3s are say 975 will get. Still any doubts are there with cancellation direct to that much big table, go with the 5 table. 5 6s are 30, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 4 7 5 9s are 45, and 2 5 5 5s are 25. Again 5 30s are 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45. 13 1s are 13 3s are. Therefore, x is equal to 3. This is your answer. Please write. By transposing 1.25, first 4.5 minus 1.25 will get. The difference of 4.5 and 1.25 is 3.25. The left side is 9.75 by x is there. So 9.75 by x is equal to 3.25 by 1. By cross multiplying x into 3.25 is equal to 1 into 9.75. That is x is equal to 9.75 by 3.25. That decimal point after 0.75 and 0.25. Two digits are there. So I cancelled the decimal point here. I eliminated this decimal point here. These are the points are there. Points I removed it. So 975 by 325 because decimal point after 2 digits, here are the 2 digits. So cancellation, that is x is equal to 975 by 325. 325 3 is 975. With that, x is equal to 3 is the solution. Okay. Now one more question, one more model question. Two x by x square minus 16 minus 3 by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by x plus 4. 5 by x plus 4. I'll check once again. 2x by x square minus 16 minus 3 by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by x plus 4. Now given question is 2x by x square minus 16 minus 3 by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by x plus 4. Now denominator x a square minus b square. 16 can be written as a 4 square. 16 can be written as a 4 square you can write now. So this is a square minus b square means a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Minus 3 by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by x plus 4. Now take the LCM on left side, x plus 4 into x minus 4, because in second term also denominator x minus 4 is there. So here you have x plus 4 and x minus 4. Now 2x, this is as it is because these two terms are there now. 2x minus 3 into x minus 4, okay. Now 3 into x plus 4, minus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 5 by x plus 4. Since both denominators are x plus 4 is there here, in this one this is a product it is a product form is there here, x plus 4 into x minus 4. So you can cancel them. If it is a plus symbol is there, you can't. Division, anything is there. Sorry, plus minus is there, you can't. Because when you transpose this value, you come in numerator now. You will get cancelled. So next one is a 2x minus into plus minus 3x minus into plus minus 4 by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by 1. Now 2x minus 3x is a minus x minus 4. Minus x minus 4 by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by 1. Here 2x minus into plus minus 3x minus into plus minus 3 4s are 12 it is, sorry. Minus into plus minus 3x minus into plus minus 3 4s are 12. 3 into 4 now 12 by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by 1, nothing is against. Now minus x minus 4 minus 12 by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by 1. Now cross multiply. 5 into x minus 4 is equal to minus x minus 12. Now 5x minus 20 is equal to minus x minus 12. Now variable take this side. 5x plus x is equal to minus 20 sent this side plus 20 it is. Now 6x is equal to 8. 6x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 6. 2 4s are 2 3s are. Therefore x is equal to 4 by 3. Little direct steps I wrote. Somewhat fast calculations I wrote here. So be careful and try to understand the concept here. 2x by x square minus 16 minus 3 by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by x plus 4. X square minus 16 into x minus 4. This x square minus 4, 16 I wrote as a 4 square I wrote. Now a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. That is minus 3 by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by x plus 4. Now LCM is x plus 4 into x minus 4. 2x as it is minus 3 into this is cancelled. So x plus 4 we have to multiply is equal to 5 by x plus 4. Now denominators are same here. Into is there, you can cancel them. So 2x minus 3 into x minus 3x plus into minus minus 3 4s are 12 by x minus 4. Little careful sir. In hurry I wrote a previous 4, I corrected it. 3 into 4, 12 by x minus 4. Now minus x minus 12 is here by x minus 4 is equal to 5 by 1. Cross multiply 5 into x minus 4, 1 into minus x minus 12. So 5x minus 20 is equal to minus x minus 12. X comes one side and constants other side. 5x plus x is equal to minus 12. Minus 20 becomes other plus 20. 6x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 6. X is equal to 4 by 3. This is this type of simple linear equations. How to solve this type of questions? Already they given in the statement form. How to solve? Already simple general form they given now. How to solve we learned. All models we covered. So these models in your material also we have. So those if you practice more, you will get the perfection. In case any doubts are there, please text me. Okay, with this type of applications are completed. In this one applications of simple linear equations are there. That means verbal form they give. With the verbal form will make into statement form. After that general form, after that will simplify. Those will be discussed in next video. Thank you very much. In case any doubts are there, please text me.